Alright guys, I got the Modlight 2 that I'm going to be installing right now, and it's really easy. I'm going through the glove box, don't need to take any panels off. Had to remove my Dynavan stereo, which is right there. I ran the 3 cables that come with the Modlight. It's a little connector, you can't see it, but it comes in 2 pieces. This guy has a hardwired connection situation, then it goes to a little plastic connector, and on the other end of the plastic connector you get 3 open-ended cables, and you have to hook it up to the ground, the power, and the ibus. So I'm just going to go off the original harness, and I've located on my car, it's a 2003 M5. This is the 12 volt, the red and green cable. Brown is my ground, and the ibus is this guy. So all I'm going to do is hook up these wire taps, super simple, and we'll see how she operates. So first of all, there's a little bit of construction next door, so I apologize for the ambient sound, but now that I have all 3 connectors connected, I went ahead and took this rat's nest and put it behind here. And when I did, there is an indicator flash on this. It actually flashes, I think, 3 times, both lights. I forget. It's all in this instruction manual that they give you. Very easy to understand. So I know it's connected, I know it's working. And now I'm going to go through and turn on the functions that I want. There's a lot of stuff this thing can do. It all uses this interface. You pretty much have to, like, I think there's, I don't know how many options, but you have to go to, like, let's say you want option 5 enabled. You click 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and then enter. It turns it on, you get a confirmation blink on this guy. I guess it's a little tedious to go through the functions and select them, but it's not that big of a goddamn deal. And I will show you guys the functions I will activate with my 2003 M5 and get back to you later, guys. Alright guys, I'm going to show you how to program a function. So, function 11, comfort blinker. That's when you don't engage your signal all the way, but just kind of tap it, you know, for a single situation. I want to make it so when I do that, there's 4 blinks, default, option 4. So I need to go function 11, option 4. So with the unit, I'm going to click it 11 times. 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Enter, and then 1, 2, 3, 4 for option 4. Enter. 2, 3, 4, 5. You're going to see this go 9, 10, 11 to the option you selected, and then the function 2, 3, 4. So I just confirmed that I selected option 11, function 4. Now, when I signal, maybe I have to turn it off and turn it back on again. Alright, ready guys? Yeah, see the BMW M5? Something else I just did. Maybe the car has to be on. Well, that sucked. Alright, it wasn't working because I got ahead of myself. It says in function 11, this function is used only if function 3 is programmed to option 4. Function 3 is cornering lights. So basically, if you signal, it'll turn your fog light on, I believe, but I don't want to do any of that. I just want to do the triple blinker. So I'm going to do function 3, option 4 to engage what I just programmed. So 1, 2, 3, boom. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, and then option 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, let's see if it worked. Boom, right there. I'm just going to push it once. Ready, guys? That's pretty cool. I'm going to go program the rest of my shit, and I'll show you what options I chose. Alright, so let me show you guys what I programmed. Single unlock. Give it a second. And then single press lock. If I want to impress my friends, I'll hit it twice. For no reason, just looks cool, and I don't care. Think it's a neato. It really says, you know, don't fuck with me. Don't try to break into me, pretty please. Then a cool thing is, if I long press lock, the follow me home lights come on. So if you ever need a light for whatever reason and your car just so happens to be there, I am set, guys. I'll show you at night also. And before I'm asked, I have no idea if the folding option will work with aftermarket mirrors. Again, I have a E39 M5, works perfect. And that's it. This is a mod that's a must-have, I think. If you have an E39, there's no reason to not get it. It's just a fun goddamn thing. And with the mod, if you didn't have folding mirrors, you can actually have that sequence I just showed you, the crazy one. You can have that be the unlock or lock pattern, and there's like 3 to choose from. But I actually contacted Svetlin, who made this mod, and he said that with the folding mirrors, you can't have the light show and the folding happen for safety reasons. So just an FYI for you guys. But I'll take a video of it at night and report back later. Sayonara. Alright guys, so it's nighttime and I'm going to show you the sequence I have for my Modlight 2. So you'll notice my mirrors are folded up. Maybe you can't see that, but they are. If I unlock, one push of the unlock button, mirrors fold down. My welcome lights, I have my angel eyes on my side markers. One push of the unlock button, mirrors fold up, and just for shits, if I press it again, the lock button, the Modlight 1 sequence comes on. You know, if I want to impress the ladies, because they just love that, right? Then if I long press the lock button, I can activate the follow me home lights, in case I ever need to illuminate the path ahead of me. It's as bright as my future, guys. Alright. Once again, this is made by ModBMW. Awesome guy named Svetlin. I emailed with him many times. Had a bunch of stupid questions. He had nothing but patience with me. Described everything in detail. This is a highly recommended mod. It was like $100 shipped to my house. And it brings this car into the current state of all cars, or most cars, making this car yet again one of the best goddamn cars in the world. So thanks again BMW, and thanks again Svetlin. You're the shit. ModBMW.com. Boo boo boo!